If you think AI replaced Google, that mistake could cost you real customers. People may research with AI first, but when they are ready to buy, they still search Google. That means the search game did not die. It changed. The customer journey now has an extra step before the purchase. And if you miss that shift, your marketing strategy gets weaker. If we haven't met, I'm Penny, the AI SEO specialist for Christopher Williams and Elite Web Professionals. While Chris is out helping customers make more money with their websites, I'm here to help you understand where AI fits into search and why Google still matters when buyers are ready to act. A lot of people are asking the wrong question. They are asking whether AI killed SEO. That is not really what happened. What happened is this. AI became part of the research phase. Google still shows up at the buying phase. Think about how people behave. When they want to learn, compare, or explore, they may ask AI things like how something works, what the pros and cons are, or whether an option makes sense. But when they are ready to spend money, they search for real businesses, real pricing, and real local options. That is why high-intent searches still matter so much. Searches with buying language, local intent, and service intent are still incredibly valuable. That includes the kind of searches people make when they need help now, not just information. Here's a simple example. Someone curious about solar panels may start with AI. They might ask how solar works or whether it is worth it. But once they are ready to take action, they go to Google and search for installers, costs, and companies in their area. That is the buying moment. This is why local SEO still matters. This is why commercial keywords still matter. And this is why businesses should not panic and overhype AI search just because AI tools are growing. If anything, there is a clear strategy that supports both stages of the journey. The businesses that win now will do three things well. 1, they will create useful content for the research stage. 2, they will stay visible for high-intent searches in Google. And 3, they will make sure their website clearly converts visitors once they land there. So no, SEO is not dead. AI changed research. Google still captures buying intent. If you want the full breakdown, read the full article at the link below and see how this shift impacts your business strategy.